Hey everyone, this is Sahil from Life of a Gamer. Today I am doing a hands-on of Redmi Note 8 Pro. So the phone is really fabulous, it's really good, and I got this phone in the store because today is the first official launch. The sale is on 2nd of September, so I will got my phone on 2nd or 3rd, but I will come do a complete hands-on on this. So stay tuned. If you want to ask me any question about this, you can ask me. The phone is with me and it's really fabulous. So here we begin our video. If you like the video, please give me a like, and if you are new to my channel, give me a subscribe. So begin the video. So here is our box, Redmi Note 8 Pro. So red color box, Mi logo, and this variant is 6GB plus 128. So the price of this phone is 6GB plus 64 is $195 US, 6GB 128 $223, and 8GB 128 $251. So let's check out the phone. Here we have a silicone cover I forgot to show, and let's check the charger first. So this phone provide you 18-watt charger, which you can see, 12 watt 1.5 ampere. This is really good, and this phone support quick charging 4.0, so really fabulous. So the phone is really beautiful. You can see that 3D glass look really beautiful. So this phone have the frame is plastic plus metal, is not completely aluminum or metal. Quad camera with flash, Redmi is written, and it's really look good. So the main highlight is 64 megapixel camera, which is written 64 megapixel AI super camera. So I will do a camera review as soon as possible, so stay tuned on my channel. Let's see. Here we get IR blaster and noise cancellation on the top. On the right side we have volume key plus power on button. On the bottom, speaker, Type-C charging port, 3.5 mm audio jack. So on left side there is a SIM tray. So let's open the SIM tray. So this phone have hybrid SIM slot, 2 nano SIM or 1 nano SIM with micro SD card up to 256 GB. So phone look really good. So let's start it. Redmi Note 8 Pro. So MIUI 10, we choose English language. Let's do the setup quickly. This phone have rear panel fingerprint, so let's have a try. Also support facial unlock, but they didn't give the option. So our setup is complete and phone look really nice. IPS LCD display, 6.53-inch screen. Let's take off the sticker of this Xiaomi. Wow. So this phone is 199 gram, a little heavy than latest phone, but I really like this phone. Color, feel, finish is really premium. So let's see the setting and specification of this phone. So MIUI 10.4, they give Android version 9, Android Pie. This phone is 6GB RAM, and they have also 8GB octa-core, 2.05 GHz, and storage available is 115 GB out of 128 GB. So let's try the fingerprint. Wow, it's really quick, you can see. So now let's try on the face unlock also. Have a try. So add 2D face data. So here I am. So now let's have a try. Oh, it's quick. Let me change the setting. Yeah, now try. So it's really quick. I really like it. So now let's talk about the camera of this phone. So the phone camera is quad camera, 64 megapixel Samsung GW1 sensor plus 12 megapixel 8 megapixel super wide angle, 2 megapixel macro, 2 megapixel depth camera. And the front camera is 20 megapixel f2.0 aperture. So they have macro mode. You can see HDR, AI, micro, timers, nothing special here. They have 2x zoom and super wide angle 0.6x. So I will do a camera review soon. Let me show you some pictures which I clicked on the store. The camera look really good and promising, and I think this camera 64 megapixel is really good. Just they said the one picture is near about 20 MB if you click for 64 megapixel. So you can see the picture. This is normal AI quad camera. So this is 64 megapixel quad camera. So the picture look nice. I will do a camera review today. So this is also 64 megapixel camera and look really nice. So they have portrait mode, night mode, panorama, pro. So these are the picture which I clicked at the store, and I think the pictures are really good, colors are good. So what do you think? Please comment me, and if you want a comparison with the camera with another phone, also write it. I will try to do my best, do the camera review and camera comparison. So I really like 64 megapixel quad camera of this phone. So let's talk about the front camera, 20 megapixel, and the picture is good. They don't have, you can say, beauty mode, which mostly Xiaomi phones have, but it look nice. So in video we can record 1080p, 30 fps, you can see. And in front camera you also have 2x zoom in video and 0.6 wide angle, super wide angle to record. So we have micro mode to record a video and beautify mode. If you record a video in beautify, you have to record in 720p. So without that you can record in 4K, also 30 fps. So that's good. So in front we don't find a flash, just only in display flash. So now let's try the Antutu score of this phone. So this phone comes with MediaTek Helio G90T, is a new processor, and Redmi says much better than Snapdragon 710 and is near to Kirin 810. So let's see the score. So in my opinion, my first impression, the phone is really good. The 6.53 inch display, Type-C charging port, 18 watt. They provide the charger, 4500 mAh battery, 3.5 mm audio jack, hybrid SIM tray. The price is really impressive, and the quad camera they are providing. The display is IPS LCD. If they provide AMOLED is better, but the price will be increased. So in my opinion, the phone is really good. So the score of Antutu of this phone is a long time. Yeah, 278,571. So it's really impressive scores. So I really like this phone. If you want to ask me anything about this phone, please comment me, and if you like this video, please give me a like, and new to the channel, please subscribe me. So see you next time.